Hi, sweet. Hi, Vic. Vic, how are you? There's ad incoming. I'm sorry. I just come back from washing my dishes. Good. That's good. I think I wish you already. Right? Your birthday. I saw it. Thank you for the love, sweet. Hope you have a good breakfast just now. Hi, Ned. What did I have for iftar? I have egg sandwich. I make egg sandwich. Honestly, I actually want to order food, but then I do not know what to order. That's why I'm alright. I'm just like sleepy. Yamete kudasai. Hello, nerd. Coming back. Oh. Let's see. Okay, actually, I do this stream so that I can make the game together with people so that I don't have to talk alone when I do the game because I don't know, this is my work. Okay, if you guys don't know, this is some of my work, part of my work. Not. So I need to make this game, just making tutorial actually. That's why. After that, I'll play Genshin after. Because if not, it's gonna be so boring. So we're gonna make games using this website. Yamete kudasai. Net and his sound effect. Oi, oi. How many is that? Hi, Rabbit. Oh, it's Rabbit. I thought it's only Nerd. Hello, Rabbit. How are you? Welcome in, welcome in. Been long since I played it. I know. Fortnite best game. What Fortnite? It's Genshin here, okay? This is Sim? No, it's not Sim. We're not playing game right now, Rabbit. I'm going to make game. So instead of playing game, today we are going to make our own little game using this website. I don't know if you guys know. You guys might not know this website. It's like Unity, but it's still very new, so it doesn't have a lot of feature yet. But it's by a Korean company. So the company that I'm involved in actually is collaborating with this Korean company. They have their own engine, so you can make your own game over here. Yamete kudasai. So if you see over here, thank you for the luck, Nut. I hope you have your dinner. Don't forget your dinner. So if you see over here, there's a lot of different games. You can make your own game over here. There's so many of them. So there's two. It involves coding. So there's two ways you can write your own coding, either by using block code or by using what is it? By using text code. Have I made any? Yeah, I've made a game before. Yeah, I've made a few games before over here because this is part of my work. I actually in Malaysia there's one competition called Malaysia Techlympics, where there is over 40 different competition. All is STEM based, like science, technology, engineering, mathematics kind of thing, right? And robotics and AI. So 2 of the game is actually using this website, where it is world building and game creation, game development is using this one. So they have to make their own game. So before that, the participants can we provide module or tutorial for the participants. So that's why I come in. I do the module or the tutorial for participants to use this website. My typing speed 000. What does that mean? Your typing speed. Your typing speed 000. So just now, actually, in the morning, in the evening, I've already gone over these. So now, we can see some of the game if you wanna see again. But I don't know, like this one is not a game. This is like just world building. Oh, I forgot to turn on my. Never mind. I just need it when I'm doing the studio part. I hope I don't forget it. Maybe I just put it now. See, this is world building. This is not game, so you can. This is just world building. So they are making this one. They are replicating New York City. I will type 1 line of code in 1 minute. Don't worry. I'm like the same. I might be even worse. I'm gonna be worse than you. I don't... Honestly, text coding, right? Syntax coding. They are using JavaScript over here. So that kind of thing is very, very bad for me. I really am very bad at it. I don't even remember it. So that's why it's hard for me to do the text coding. But I also have to teach them text coding. But for the video sakes, I'm just gonna do the block code one, because the block code one is simple, so we don't have to go too long for it. We don't have to spend too long. Even then, I think we'll spend like over 1 hour to do it. So like this, they're making their own building and all. So you can do this, but of course it takes time. You wanna do all this. And then we have like this. This is a game. It's like Fall Guys. Actually, this is kind of Fall Guys kind of thing, I guess, a little bit. I mean, even the game that I'm gonna make later on is probably a little bit like Fall Guys. It's just like jump around and jumping. So this one is runners. So wanna start. So it gives you timer. What do I do? Oh, I don't know how to play it. Okay, I'm not gonna. Yeah. It's not opening for me. Where do I go from here? I guess not going here. I should go here. Oh, okay. Then we go here. Oh, I'm not gonna be good at this. So you see, it's like Fall Guys a little bit. This one definitely is like Fall Guys. Yeah, but where do I go? Where do I go? Oh shit. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This will be hard, I guess. Oh. Can you jump? Ooh. Oh, finish. 1 minute 27 seconds. I got 1 minute 27 seconds. I mean, that's alright. You see how other people, oh, 18 seconds? For real? 30 seconds? Are they for real? Wow, this guy. Oh my god, they're all just below 30 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, so that's like one of it. To rate this game, no, it will be too long. I'm gonna make block coding. So block coding has very limited thing what you can do. Most of this game is using the text coding. Text coding is by JavaScript. For block coding, it's simple thing because we have like two category. The category for younger kids, primary school, and the other one is secondary school. So for primary school, they're only going to use block coding. That's the one I'm gonna show over here. I guess it's the same thing. I'm the only player. See, this is Fall Guys. I never know this thing. This is definitely like the Fall Guys one. What? Not yet. Oh, see? Oh! Yeah, definitely this is the hexagon from Fall Guys, isn't it? This one they really copy Fall Guys, I think. This one they really copy Fall Guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not doing full screen. What is this? The game mechanic, I think a bit. Let me just fall. Can I just fall? That's it. Victory! Because I'm the only one. So you have a lot. So there's also like the one that participant do, of course. This one is no chat. Future fight, no chat. I don't know. Ghost Hunter? Oh, why did I put this one? I don't want this. I don't think I want to go find ghosts. What do we have to do? Oh, I have to shoot ghosts, right? Am I not shooting? This one cannot be shot or what? Ooh. Oh, I can just do this. Oh, how do they do this one? I can't think. How do they do the bullet thing? I'm not sure how they do the bullet. Oh! Oh! Oh, too many of them! I just got 13. Okay, so that's the kind of game that you can have. There's a puzzle game, collecting coins game, and stuff like that. It's just a normal game that the cool thing is they are using their own engine, Redbrick engine. So they have their own AI, AR, VR too. So that's cool for them, but they are still very much developing it. So anyhow, we're going to go to the studio. Alright, so we can make our own game. So if we go here, we just click on create and then just this one. So we are using block, so we have to change it to block project. I'm doing this as a tutorial, so hopefully it can be seen clearly. Okay, so this is the base, the foundation actually that we will have. Normally I don't use this foundation because it's just ugly, and then there's no way actually to change this foundation thing over here. But basically this is foundation. This is where the light, like the light will come in. That's the center part, and that's where the light will come in. We can change it if we want to, but normally we don't need to change it. Like you can totally change where it's coming from and stuff using the arrow over here. If you want to change it, of course you can also change where is it gonna be. Anyway, so over here on these sides we will have all the panel. We will have the model panel. The model is where all the 3D model, the ready-made, the preset 3D model is all over here. It's been categorized by all these different category. That's vehicle. So if you click on the see all, you'll be able to see more of it. So the shift button, last time I tried to do it, it works, but if it, as you can see right now, it doesn't work. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I think because they keep on updating it, so it's not stable right now. So there's building, there's like a structure, nature, all the trees, the grass, all the stone and rock is over here, furniture, decoration and stuff. And then below that is the asset. The asset is more of the things that you can customize. For example, is mesh. This is if you want to do your own shape or your own object or 3D model, you can combine this shape together and stuff. This is basic shape that you can actually change. So for example, like we can take maybe I explain this one first, and then we have layer where all the materials that is inside your stage is over here. So this is your light, your ambient light, and then this is the ground that I normally don't like to use. You can totally move it around and stuff, but you can also just delete it, what I normally did when I have my own base. Base is important. I'll tell you later why. Just that so when you fell, right? When you fell out of the game place, the game stage or something, it can return you back to the starting point. So it's actually quite important to have it. But I just do not want this one because it doesn't look nice. And then if you see over here, this is my means my asset. The cool thing is you can upload your own 3D model. So you can have it should be on the GLB format though. Like this one is in GLB format, then you can bring it, then you can just click and it will come out here. I'm not quite sure if this one still exists for me. I don't remember having this thing. Oh, it's still there. So you see, I click it. This one I just took it from some free 3D model website, whatever is this thing. Looks like a computer or something. Okay, so you can upload totally your own 3D model from other place. You just need to be on the GLB formatting. Yeah, so this is stuff I took from other places, definitely. You can also upload your image. If you want pictures over here, you can totally display picture, you can totally display video. So like this, I have a video of a tutorial. So because last year I was making like a class and I'm showing my video in a class. It's like a metaverse kind of thing, right? Metaverse world. So like you don't attend the class physically, you attend the class online, which is on this platform. So the student will have their own avatar. Like I have my own avatar. So you just walk into the class and then you see this video over there. So that was like what I do last year. So you can also have sound effects, song, whatever you want. So all the format that can be used is over here. You can see over here, this is all the formatting that you can use. But that's what it is. So anything that you favorite, that you like, you favorited, will come out here. I don't favorite anything, unfortunately. But you can just favorite something over here, like this one. You can just favorite it. You can just favorite it out. Then it will come out over there. It will come out over here if you have any of the things that you are favoriting. So that's about it over here. And at the top here, you can see there's a toggle. So it's a toggle between the design mode and the code mode, the studio mode. So if I put on over here, then I can see the code. So we are doing block coding. I'll show you how the block coding looks like. So for block coding, you can't really classify all the different code. Everything will be on the same window, which is the default script. So just click on here, then it will come out like this. So for the block coding, this is how it looks like. So right now I didn't put anything else, any other object yet. So you can only see my avatar. So if I click my avatar, then this is the kind of function that is currently available over here. So as you can see, it's very limited. It's not a lot. So that's why things that we can do, game that we can do in block code, using block code, is quite limited, but still we can do some of it. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. You just right click, then you can delete it out because we're not using it. So if you toggle this off, then you come back to the designing part. And then over here is file, it's just the save. So it's important, of course, to save your file because sometimes your PC can hang, right, or something, and then you might lose all your work. So it's better to save. If you go for save to file, it will save locally. Not necessarily you have to do it because you can just save it on cloud online over here itself. If you save to file, then you can also open from file then. So this is if you want to import your own 3D model from other website or something that you do, like you might do it on different website like Tinkercad or something, then you can do over there and then you can import it over here. You can also export something. Let's say you do something using the mesh, right? You do your own object and something and you want to use it on different website, also possible. You just export it. You just choose the whole thing and then you export it. Or you can also save it as asset. It means it will save it on your own asset over here, on the my asset over here. Then you can use it across the this platform. So if anything, you can have help. They have their own Discord where you can ask questions directly to the staff that's doing this, or you can go for their wiki. So the most interesting part about their wiki is this. They are Korean company, so of course the website will be in Korean, but they actually have also English. Okay, so for international, and something that is special for Malaysia people, because our company, the company that I'm doing work with, right, that is the organizer of Malaysia Techlympics, which is Execute Robot, is collaborating with this company, with Redbrick, right? So we actually have requested them to do the Malaysia version, which is actually, I'm the one who translated this. This is all my translation. I translated this website to Malaysia language, to Malay language. So people who are Malaysia, who feel like they can't read the English one, then they also have option for it in Malaysia, in Malay language. I mean, in Bahasa Malaysia. Wow, that's so hard. Okay, so I translated all of this. So we have over here, you have all the tutorial, the simple tutorial over here, which I'm also gonna explain later on inside this stream. I will explain, but basically all the basic that you needed is over here. So but the problem is they don't have the tutorial for block coding. They only have tutorial for the text coding. So if you good at text coding, you can do it. Even if you're not good at the text coding, you can learn the basic over here. This is also how I learned to do the game with text coding. I just use this website. Actually, I just use their own wiki to learn how to do with text. But of course, it takes some time, like I said, because I'm not like very expert with text, so I always have to refer back here. So it takes longer time for me. But anyway, they have this thing where you can do it. So that's about it. So they have AI assistant. So let's say you don't want to go to the Redbrick wiki, right? You can also go here and then ask the question about the object. Like you can, hello. Right now they only have like the Korean, not even Korean language, I think, because it's based on Chat GPT. So it's quite limited. So you have to use English though over here. So you can just like let me see. Hello, can you explain about the asset? So it's what they're already feeding them. So of course in the future it's gonna be more robust. Right now probably the only thing that is in the wiki is also over here. The rest will be added in the future. So you don't even have to go to their wiki if you feel like it's hard to navigate their wiki, right? So you can just go here and then look at what is it. So of course you have to be specific though. What did I ask? I asked about the asset. Yeah, because asset is actually defined by everything over here. So that's why they have it like this. Okay, so you can ask about it over here. So that's their AI assistant. And then on top of here, we have all the navigation button that we needed. Some of it we're going to use often, some of it might not. It depends on your style, what kind of person you are when you're using it. I normally use some of it I use often. Okay, so this is undo button, redo button, very specific. You can also just use your Control Z to do your undo, just like normal window function. So this is the position button when you, okay, so now is the time that we can actually take some model or object for us. Okay, so we can definitely get the some model over here, right? But we can also just make our own model. So let's make our own model that will be in the asset. Not really make our model per se, but like, you know, we can just do it. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna just take this keyboard shape. So that's it. It gave us over there, right? So right now it's small. We can make it bigger, but you see the position, when you click on the position, right? Then you can use the arrow to move it around. So the arrow, left and right arrow to move it left and right. This one is the front and back arrow to move it further and closer to you. And also the up and down arrow to move it up and down, of course. You should also pay attention to over here, this tiny axis over here is Z, X, and Y. So you can see from there, this is like Y, and then this is like the Z, and this is like the X. So you need to know this. This is mathematics. It's kind of a little bit like mathematics talking about axis, but then that's what it is, okay? So that it will help you a lot when you want to figure out how you want to move this thing or place this thing or whatever, right? And then the next to it, we have rotation. So same thing, you can rotate it however direction you want. Also, it's being represented by this circle, right? So if you want to rotate it like this, so just make sure that you when you choose it, the axis will be in yellow color. So right now we are like rotating it on it. I think it's on X. This is on X axis. This is on the Y axis or Z axis. and this is okay. I cannot tell right now, but we can tell. There's a way to tell it. Sweet matte. Sweet. I don't know my matte too. That's why I hate. I don't like looking at this XYZ thing. So normally I tell you how to actually tell where you are rotating it, even without looking at this one. But right now we are looking at this function. I also actually don't really like to use at the top part over here because you can't really see the value. So if I want to like properly rotate this 180 degree, right, I have no way in knowing it. I can only rely on my own vision to see that it's straight. Definitely right now it doesn't look straight, right? Because I've moved it a lot. So there's no way I can tell that it's really straight, right? Unless I can do it in specific value, which you can do. After this, I'm gonna show you. So the next one, so if you want to rotate it like the whole axis, all three axes, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, so you can go around, you can go all the way around this big circle over here. Or same thing like this one also, if you go to the center here, then you can move it anywhere around. Means it's not limited to only left, right, up, down, or front, back only. If you go center, make sure it's highlighted at the center. There's a little square at the center. Then you can go all around like this. So for this one, it will be this big circle over here. Then you can just move it all over. Same thing on the scale. The last one is the scale. Obviously, scale means that it makes it bigger. So same thing. The direction of the little cube here shows the direction how it makes bigger. So if I put this, it's gonna become longer over here. So our object right now is so rotated that you might not be able to tell what is the part that's made longer. But now you can see it's getting longer on the X, or you want it to be longer on the Z like this, or you want it to be longer like this. So you can make it bigger like that. So let's say that's what it is. But let's say you want it to be proper, right? You want it to be about the same. So you go again to the center. Go to the center. See? It will make it uniform. It will become uniform. So you might not be able to see because right now I already butchered our square, our keyboard is no longer keyboard. So if you want to delete your object, just make sure you have the object highlighted. How you want to know the object is highlighted? You can see all this arrow and all this thin yellow line, right? That means you are choosing that object. So if you're not choosing, see, right now I'm choosing the light source. Then on the light source there is this arrow. So if I put over here, then there's over here. So if you have this one, you just press on the delete key on your keyboard, then it's go missing. So let's get a new one, a proper one. So you can see that. So you see, it stays the keyboard shape like this. So but again, like I said, for me, I don't really like to use the top part because you have no way to know precisely how much bigger or what, which actually disturb me a little bit because I need to know. I need to know that number. Not that I need to know that number, but I want that number to be uniform when I do something, especially when you are doing something that is replicating, that you're going to replicate, right? You can't just do it by vision, right? So what you can do is, you see over here, there's an open panel at the top here. You click on here and it will open another window over here. So if you see over here, there's object and scene. Scene refers to the whole scene of on the stage. So it refers to your whole thing. So let's say scene. So firstly, you have the environment. Right now it's blue in color, but I can definitely just change this if I wanna change, right? I can either change it to texture, pattern, or pictures even. Basically, the texture is where you have to upload your own picture. So that picture can be anything. Either it's a pattern, background, any picture you have. or by color. So by color, you can just choose over here. You just click on here, it will pop up this little window, and then you can choose color. Okay, so that's like red. I don't know why our world is going to be red, but you can do it. You totally can. You can just adjust whatever color you want to adjust over here. If you want it to be like the whole. This is something I've used before when I want to do environment. Hi, welcome in. Thank you for the alert. Thank you for the hydrate. I'll drink now. So if you want to do like something in the space, right? So maybe you want something black like this, or you are like stuck in the room, the situation is whatever. But basically you can just use any color you want. If you want to use texture also, you can use texture. So click on it, it will open here. It says all file, but actually it will only accept like pictures, you know, a picture file, which I should have, but I don't think I have. Do I have any proper pictures over here? I don't have. Okay, let's look around some pictures that we can use. So you want pictures over here. From my experience, that pictures has to be very high quality. If not, it will become blur. The reason why is because this space is big, and this whole thing, whatever you are seeing right now, is in this like peach color. Whatever color is this, I don't know. Okay, let's say it's like actually red color. Whatever places right now that you see is in red color. If you put on picture, then it will become the picture. Okay, so let's look at some picture. Usually for me, I just go to, where did I go? Like Pixel Bay or Unsplash. I think you can go to get a free picture over here. Just make sure you choose a high quality one. Yeah, I don't know what to choose. Honestly, I don't know what to choose. We can choose like a starry night, right? I really like star, I guess. Let's see if there's a good quality one. Hey, I don't fail yet. I'm not failing. Oh, this looks nice. It's purple in color. We can use this. Hopefully it has. So you see over here, I will just go for the 6,000, 4,000. Then it will be high quality. Grandpa, I'm doing the game now. I'm doing the game now. Oh, I want to show you actually. I can't sweat it while playing for. I saw you playing for guy. I was like, this guy. I want to show you. And then you playing for guys. So I just download this one, the highest quality. Just download this one. Wait, do we have to log in? I didn't use. What did I normally use? Or I think I use Unsplash then. I don't want to log in right now. Okay, let's go to Unsplash, guys. Why I don't have pictures over here? Because I didn't do. I normally don't use this PC to do my work. Oh, is it the same? I don't know. It looks like the same. Okay, we can do this. Original size. Okay, so you just download a very big one. Pictures. Is this very big? I'm not quite sure. It looks like not big enough. Don't worry, I can still hear you. Okay. Okay, so we just upload the pictures, and then you can see. You look over here. So like I said, you can see it's actually blur. Because this picture is like only 3 MB just now I see. Normally the picture will come out over 10 MB. Then you will get a very high quality one. This doesn't look like... How is it 3 MB? I'm not satisfied when the picture is blurry, definitely. Is there no good quality one? Oh, is there 4K over here? 4K. If we type 4K, do we have it? What is this? Blockchain, Ethereum. Yeah, imagine like I choose this picture. The brain one. It's not nice picture. Not anything I like. Okay, let's say this one looks nice. It says 4K. Nah, it's not 4K. It's like 2.8 MB. I don't think it's 4K. But we can just try. Doesn't matter. Ooh, that looks nice actually. But you can see where it meets because it's not like a full circle. If you can get 360 picture, I think it will be better. It'll be much better. But anyway, it looks like this once you get the picture. So environment, Equirac, I'm not sure what it does, but it's just like something for your, it's all for the look of it. Fog, if you have fog, so of course it will look, you know, a bit more like bloom, like blur a little bit, right? If you want it, you can have it. Tone mapping, same. You want it to be darker, like less exposure, or you want it to be brighter a bit. Okay, we're not gonna put it. And then this post processing, if you play The Sims, then you know what is this. It's just to make the whole image, the whole, you know, visual looks nicer. It makes everything looks crisp, high quality and all, which definitely you can use once you've done your whole project. I think right now it's not so important. So let's go back to our object. So if you see over here this object, right? So you see over here there is position, rotation and scale, and if you see on your right side, you also will still have the same thing. You have position, you have rotation, and you have scale. Hi, Kella! Come in, welcome in, Kella. How are you, Kella? You finished work already, right? I'm good. I just break my fast just now. So today I'm going to make we are going to make our own game. Very simple game, okay? Using this website called Redbrick. We are using just block coding. And then after that I'll play Genshin actually. What's grinding game? Is it that online game you're playing? Or something? Not so late, I think. Oh, just now. I think around 8:30 just now. 8 something I ate. We're making games. Yeah, we're making games now. Instead of playing games, we're making games. We make simple game. We can't make game like Genshin over here, obviously. But we can make game like Fall Guys or Roblox game over here, definitely. Just need time. But I'm gonna show something that you can do in 1 hour actually. So very basic game. Not even in 1 hour. I actually have done it. You know, if you know how to do it, then it's just like in 20 minutes you'll be done with it. But if you want to make it nicer, at the end of the day, it all comes down how nice and how complete you want your game to be. That's it. But the mechanic of the game is very quick because using block coding is very limited actually. Right? Yay! Yeah, you can see how we can make this game. You guys can actually go and register at this website. Just use your Google to log in on, and then you can try all the game over here to actually that people already made, that people actually made properly. Okay, unlike me. So I'm just actually making tutorial for the game actually, so that I can post later on to share around on my channel and also for my work thing actually. So like I said before, this one position, rotation. So over here you actually can manipulate all this value more accurately. So right now it's like this, right? So let's say I want to make like a platform. So I want it to be longer on this side. So as you can see, the one that is moving right now is the Z value. So that's the one I'm gonna change on my scale. So we can change to maybe 10. Not long enough, so I make it 15. Okay, so you can control precisely over here. You can see how many points here. You can just add all that point. Okay, honestly, I don't like all this number like this. I want it to be like a nice number, so it's easy for me to control it. So I'm gonna do like this. And then this one up and down is Y. You can see the Y number is the one that is moving, so that's Y. So that one I just want it to be I want it to be quite thin, so like 2. Okay, so that's good. It's 2. So you can see right now our platform is like floating on the base. So like I said before, you can just move it like this, but you have no way of knowing how much is it. I mean, that can still work, right, if you don't care about it. But if you care about it, again, you can do this over here. So it's probably 1, right? So you see, okay, you can't see anymore. So it's 1 over there. And then I'll just make it at the center actually, so it will be 0 for this and 0 for this. Okay, we can totally make this one also a bit bigger, so that will be our X. So maybe 5, no, like 10 is too big. 8, okay, that's nice. Okay, so that's how you can actually control how you want to shape. So if you see, this come out from actually just a simple cuboid like this, and now it looks like this. Okay, so that's how much you can manipulate it. Not only that you can do, you can see down here there's a material property which you can change the color. First off, on the mesh color, you can change the color over here if you want. So if you guys see a lot of purple, it's because I like purple. Okay, bear with me. So you can change the color like this if you want. Alright, so this one is like a secondary color. It's like a kind of like gradient kind of thing. So if I put like red over there, right? So you can see that now it has like some part of red. The part of red is taking over. So you can change this value to like 0.1, just a little bit of it, 0.5. Right, so you can change. It's like the secondary color over there. So if you don't want it, then don't use it. So I just put it 0 right now. The blending is the blending between the colors lah, if you want it, but we are not using it. It's just normal thing. It's like additive, subtractive, multiply, which is normally we do. Okay, but we are not using that. It's okay. We are actually not using this color also. I'll show you why. So besides changing the color, we can also change the texture. Okay, before that, you will, to move around over here, to rotate, you just have to press your left button on your mouse, then you can rotate it around, or you can move it up and down like this, or you want to look it from up, you can do like this then, right? Just using your left button, left mouse button. But if you want to pan around the studio, then you press your control key and then you move it with your left mouse button again, drag it around, then you can drag it like this if you want to center your thing. So control plus your left mouse, and then you can rotate it like this. That's how you can move. Zoom is normal. You just use your roll mouse button to roll it. Okay, I think that's about it. You can also use left click actually. Right mouse button click to move it around, to pan around the stage too. Okay, now let's look back our object. We can also include texture. So if you look down here, there's a texture. There's 2 types of texture, which is like real life object texture, and another one is like a what do you call it? Like the synthetic one, where it will retain this color. So if you want to retain this color, right, then you will choose the normal map here. So you have to available it first, make it available, toggle it on, and then you click on the plus button, And then you can either use your own picture if you want, like if I say import from desktop, right? And then I took the same picture. I took another picture, this one, right? Then that picture will cover the surface of this. Okay? So you can see the picture is covering this one, right? Do I have another picture that will make it look obvious? Let me see. We can close this one. Import from desktop. It's like, this is Malaysia Techlympics. So like Malaysia Techlympics over here. So you can see it over here. The picture over here. Okay, it will blend together with this color because it is using the color, and Malaysia Techlympics is like the writing, I think, is becoming darker over here. But that's what it will do. It will show back the picture you have. What are the pictures? I do not have any picture. This is like for night stream? No, this is not. This is video, so it only used for pictures. But I do not have picture. I don't want to put picture of me. I don't have any picture. This is all my emote. Is this PNG? This is GIF file. I cannot use it. But basically, that's what happened. You have a picture, then it will become a picture. But if you don't want a picture, you go to asset library. They already have a built-in one that they provided over here. So you can see all the different, there's like a stone, lava, science fiction, I don't know what I mean, metal, terrace, I think, terrain, vegetation. So you will have the pattern over there. Or you can upload your own pattern too. So this is what it looks like. And this pattern, it won't just stay like this. You can also modify this pattern. Yeah, I take something obvious like this, right? So you have offset over here if you want it not to be, the pattern not to be centered, but pattern is repeating, so you might not be able to see it so much unless you have like your picture. Then you can adjust the way your picture looks, so it will be centered over here. But you can change this repeating. What happened is, it will, right now is, there's no repeating it, it's just a pattern like this. But if you put it on repeat, right, let's say I put 5 over here on X, so you see the X1 is becoming smaller over there. And then I put the same on Y, then you can see it becomes smaller. All the pattern. So it's repeating it 5 times. 5 times 5 like that. So if I put it like 0.1, then it become bigger then. So, 0.1. See? You can't even see the round shape now. So that's why it's like, if you use this one, but I'm not gonna use this one right now. I think we can use it totally. We just have to change the color. Maybe this is not a good color. Oh, this looks nice. I like this color, but I don't really like the pattern though. Let's see the pattern. There's a lot of different pattern that we can use, right? Okay, but I don't want to show this one. There's another one, which is this one, the top one. It's just called map. This one is like the one that follows the real world. If you are using it for 3D, for world building, this will be more useful. So same thing, you go to the map, and then it provide all this. So you can see it's much more. So let's say we are making a park. So there's like a grass over there. So you will have grass over here like this, right? So same thing, you can adjust this to your liking. Is that too? Okay, so I think this look proper a little bit. Okay, and then you can change over here if you want it to be like the color, because right now I think the color is not green. Okay, this look nicer green, right? This green looks much nicer. Or should it be a little bit darker? Okay, like that, right? So you have like a grass kind of shape over there. That's what you can do for this one. And then after texture, we have the behavior. So the behavior is how your object will react in certain event when it is in the world, right? So script, if you don't toggle on the script, then when you go for the coding part just now, as you can see over here, like I said, there's nothing else except your avatar. So you need to make sure you toggle on the script. So if you toggle on the script, right, so pay attention to the name. Like this one is box F to 9. You just have to memorize this number actually, F to 9. So you go to the script over here, and then you see it comes out already, F to 9. So you can use it in script. That is if you want to use it on script. I wouldn't encourage you to put everything on the script if you are not using it in the script. Only the object that you want to use in the script. Otherwise, you will have, because at the end of the day, when you're making a complete project, right, you will have a lot of objects. So it can get confusing. So it's better to just put the necessary one in the script. So like this one, I don't want it to be on the script because I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to make any script, any coding with this platform, so I will toggle it off for now. So, and then you can have can collide. This thing, you need to, this one depends on what you are doing. So can collide means it can collide with the object. The object can block our avatar. If not, if we don't toggle this on, what happens is our avatar can go through it. So right now it's not toggle on. If I click on play, so you can click on play over here to test. So every time you do your project, in every progress you make, it's good for you to test it out in the real application. So you click on play, right? So you can see now our avatar, that's my avatar by the way, I just make it this evening. It's cute, right? I make her hair is purple also. Also, this thing like giving me, this avatar suddenly is giving me like a Fortnite vibe. I don't know why I choose this one. It just started out to look like Fortnite. Then I just make it like this. But anyhow, you see, it can go through here. Right? So if you click on the collide, and then now you click on play, see, now it's standing on the stage, on the platform that we make. Now it cannot pass through. It cannot pass through. Right? So depending on what your application is, for me, normally it's all can collide, but if yours not, so you can toggle it on or off. For me, I will just use it on. Okay, so anchor is just the way the thing is placing. So like right now the anchor is at the center, right? This is more useful when you are doing text-based, because in text-based you can actually change the anchor of the object. Right now the anchor of each object is the very center of that object. So that, like right now the center, as you can see, where all the arrow is meeting is over here, right in the middle from X, Z and Y axis. But you can change that if you want to change it to the top. Why you want to change that? It's actually much more easier when you are manipulating all this value, especially on the position part. You will see later on, because right now is over here is hard to tell actually at the center, but normally it's automatically on already, so just leave it be over there because it doesn't matter for us for now. Shadow is just add shadow, that it makes this more realistic. So it adds shadow, it makes the object look more realistic in the world. This one again up to you if it's realistic or not, the world you're making, you want to add shadow or not. Okay, you can do it like that. So let's say we've done that. This is our base. So first one we are going to make, now we have our first object. So the first one we are going to make, maybe we make a collecting thing. So over here, what we can do is we're making coin collection. So let's go back to our design part. Now we're looking for coin. There's already coin over here. Okay, I've used it, so I know it. But you can find it in the decoration, if I'm not mistaken. You go for see all, and then you scroll over. You will find your coin, like over here. You can use any other object. Maybe you are making food game. If you are making food game, then maybe you want somebody to collect some things related to food, right? Then you can go here. So let's say I want them to click French fries, my favorite. Now right now this French fries looks too small compared to our platform. It doesn't make sense. Your design has to be proportionate to one another, right? So right now it's too small. So again, we go here and then we go to the scale. We can scale it up a little bit. I think 5 maybe. So I'm gonna make it all balanced. 5. Okay, this looks balanced. So let's say I put it over here. Bring it up. Bring up. Okay. Is it floating or not? So this depends on how much you care about stuff like this. Okay, so let's say it's like this, like that. Okay, we have our fries. Let's select it back. And then we're not gonna change anything else. We can change the transparency if we want to make it like, I don't know why we want to make that, but it's like not seeing it. You can do that for that, but we want it to be able to collect it, so we're making it visible, of course, right now. If not, you can change the opacity. Go to the object bag. Okay, this one we are going to make coding for it, so we will put on script. We will put also can collide. If not, our avatar just going to go here. So if you don't adjust, or if you don't define the starting point, your avatar will always start at the center, will always appear at the center. But you can change that. You can make your avatar appear anywhere you want by using the starting point object. Hi, Virtual Bro. Hello. How are you, Virtual Bro? Welcome in. Thank you for coming in. We are just making our own game right now. I like you use the emoji. You use the emote. I'm good. It's like 10:50 p.m. right now over here, and I'm still making game. I hope I can finish it before 12. That's all. I can finish this before 12, then I will be golden, I think. So making game. But before making game, I just showing how you can use the function in this website. It's a Korean website called Redbrick, where you can use it to make 3D creation, either 3D world or gaming, digital gaming. Are you like preparing to go to work, or you have your weekends off? What do you do today? Okay, so yeah, we can change the starting point where our avatar will come in. What you have to do is you go to the asset. So we have mesh, what we have used. GUI we haven't used yet. I will show that next time. Not in this video, unfortunately, I think. Effect spawn. So it's called spawn over here. Pretty awesome. What kind of game are you making? I'm making a simple game. Later on, we're making a game of like jumping on tiles. I don't know what are we naming our game yet. There's no name for the game, but it's just like jumping on tiles to get to the destination without falling. And then collecting some coin, I guess, later on. I am off work. That's good. By helping 16 is working. Sounds fine. I just hope the game gonna work alright. I've tried it before though. I just need to refresh my memories again because I used this last year also. So this is what we use for a competition actually. That's why. Like kids can make their own game over here and then they will put it into a competition, like a international competition, but it's organized by Malaysia country. But kids from different country can join in definitely because it's like international level of competition. Okay, so we go to spawn. You can choose any. There's like, don't choose this one though. This is like a portal, means that, yeah, it's portal. Means that you can use it if you want to bring the users from one world to another world. So it's sharing link. You can also just share like Wikipedia link even. It doesn't matter as long as it's a link to go to a different place. So choose the flat one. The flat one like this is the starting point. So right now it's super big. We can adjust that, but let's say I want my avatar to appear, the player to appear over this side, right? Somewhere there. Again, it's floating. We can adjust. Just now is this one. So it's 1, I think. Is it still floating at 1? Yeah. So it's like 0.2. Still floating. I'm like, you guys don't actually have to care about this, but I'm very particular about this, unfortunately. I don't know why. So you can put it over here. So I want to change this also to the center so it becomes 0. And just to make the number look pretty over here, so it becomes 40. I'm a bit, I care a little bit about the way the number looks, unfortunately. But that's how it is. So now we do this. If I click on play, see, our player no longer appear over here, right? It appear over here. It doesn't appear at the center. But right now, there's another problem. The player is facing that side when it appears. It's not a big problem because they can just go here back. It doesn't matter, but it will be nicer if it can just, spawn and look right away over here, right? So what you have to do, just go back, and then we have to rotate it to the, I can't tell honestly what am I rotating, so this one a bit hard, but we just want to rotate it. It should be counterclockwise, I guess, to our left side, right? I'm guessing it is it should be this one. What is this? Okay, it's the Y one. So let's try this one. Y minus 90. Let's test it out. Is it true or not? Thank you for the clocking. Thank you for the love, Virtual Bro. I hope you have a good day. Oh no, we made a mistake. It goes to the clockwise, so means not minus 90, just 90. But we got the axis right. The axis was right actually. It's on the Y. Okay, now let's play. See? Now it goes, it's rotating the same way. Yay, nice, right? Okay, what I want to do now, you can also, you don't want to see this, you don't want to people to see this spawn object, because normally if you go to game, it's not like showing where you spawning from, right? So this one, like just now, we can just hide it. So now you cannot see it, but it's still there. Even though you can't see it, if you look at your layer, you can still see it's called start location. It's still over there. And even if you go to playback, see, it will still appear from here. That's good. So let's make our first coding. We want our player to collect this prize, right? So if you are using text coding, you can make score point, means like if you collect prize, you get 1 point, 10 points, 100 point, whatever. You can do that in text coding. Unfortunately, block coding is very limited. You can't do that, but you can still make it looks like the player already collected the prize by making the prize disappear. So once the player go to the prize and collected it, the prize will disappear. How we want to do that? We go back to our prize, make sure that we already have it, the script toggle on and can collect is toggle on. Now we go to our coding. Before that, let's take a look at what number is our price. Our price is 385. That's the number. So now we go to code mode. We go to default script. So the block coding is very easy. If you have used like Scratch before or any other block coding software, it's all about the same. Honestly, it's all about the same. And over here is very limited compared to Scratch and other software because they're still very new. Like before this, they just function with JavaScript only. So only last year, I think they introduced this block-based coding. So they still have only the basic. I'm not sure when they're going to add more, but for now, the block coding only has the basic. So what we're going to do is once the player collected the prize, then the prize will disappear. So for the player to collect the prize, the player has to go to the prize, right? Has to like in a way touch the prize. So what you can do is you click on the player first, the avatar. That's the one with color and looks like an avatar, obviously. And then the function, like I say, is same function. If you have used Scratch or whatever, you can tell what it is. You just type on collide and then collide with price. So once they collide with price, what happens? The price will disappear. The price will disappear. That will be this one, the kill function. So kill function, and then the price will disappear. That's what we can do for block coding. We can only do this for block coding. So let's say we have that. Close it now. Now we can try it out. See it works or not. Our player just spawn from there. I don't know why I'm jumping. No need to jump. Okay, so now we go here and then we touch the price. See, the price disappear already. So that's first coding work. Alright, but we can also do something else. Like there's a lot of different collide function if you see. Let's look back at our script. So right now it's collide, right? But we can also do, if you see over here, collide once, means that it will only happen once in the entire game. It only happens one time. Or collide end means that it will only happen when the player touch the object and then leave the object. Then only it happen. Or when it's contact, it will be continuously. For example, like if you want something to continue doing something as long as we touching it, right? So that is in contact. Nerd. Nerd, udah yamete kudasai. Okay, so you see over here, contact. So let's say if I put contact, then I don't want it to be killed because it can only be killed one time, correct? So what we can do is maybe not choose skill. Maybe we made it moving. Yeah, move, okay. So I do not know whichever one. This is either you can do left, right, up, down, or you can do SYZ. I usually do SYZ because it's more precise. I feel like. So let's say it will move 10. It will move as long as we touch the fries, okay? So let's see now. We go and touch the fries. See it's moving or not. See? It's moving as long as we touch it. Wow, there's a lot. Wait. Is this like 10? I'm gonna check back my code. Move X 10. 10 I think it's not. Okay, let me try 1. Maybe 10 is that far. I'm not sure how far is the unit. So this is all try and error, honestly. Let me try. Oh, okay, that's how far 1 is. That's quite far actually. See? Once I'm not touching it, it will stop moving. So right now you can see the fries is floating, but actually if you use text-based, there's also a physics involved that will make this fries fell down. Actually, one, there's nothing between it. That's involve physics. They have that function too in text-based. We just don't have it in block-based because block-based is very limited. That's why it's only for kids, like for small kids that just starting, 8 years old, 9 years old. Then it's good for them because you can do the programming part and problem solving part only with this without caring about the physics of it or anything like that. Okay, so that's the function that we can do. Now we can also make the fries. If I'm not mistaken, we can make the fries to reappear again if it's dying. So let's go for again collide and then make the fries just disappear, and then probably the fries again, wait 1 second. 1 second is not that long, and then fries reappear. Revive, is it? I don't remember this one, but we should supposed to be able to do it. Go, and then task goes missing. Okay, I don't think that's the function. I don't remember this one. Should be able to do with block code. I know how to do it in text code, but I don't remember the block code or spawn. I'm not sure. We gotta try this out. And then if it doesn't work, then I'm like just gonna skip. Oh, we are spawning. I don't remember. Price. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be revive. But is it not revive? Or this supposed to be avatar? You can do it in text code, but over here I'm not sure. Maybe can. Okay, I guess cannot. I guess it's for something. I think revive is not for the object. I think revive is actually for the particles, which we're not gonna touch in this object. But that's about it. The function is very limited, as you can see for block code. We only have just this. We can rotate the fries also, like collide. Then let's delete this one, and then we can have the fries to turn, maybe turn X number. So I'll make it like a big number so we can see it. So this one, we touch it, and then it will rotating. So that's how far it's rotating for 100, I think. But you can see it's moving. That's how. That's also the function that you can use over here. If you use like move to, go to, this one all is also to change the position, to transform the position. It's just the way it move. Like if you see the way it move, if like move, then it will just move, depends on the base units that you given them. If move to, you have to specify the location, the position of it that you put move to, right? Yeah, so it will give you XYZ. What is the coordinate where it's supposed to move? Then it will slowly move over there. But if you choose go or go to, right, then it will just move over there without the moving animation over there. That's what it is. Same with turn and rotate. If turn, you can see it's turning around, But if rotate, it will just rotate without the animation. That's what it is. Okay. Now let's do our game. We're gonna do a simple one. Like I said, when you do your own world, you don't want this thing because it doesn't look nice. Let's go back to our layer. So you can see the ground, which is this thing. The problem with this thing is last time you can actually make it invisible. But I do not know what's their update is currently, what kind of update they're making right now. But you can make it transparent, which is very disturbing because it looks ugly. It doesn't look like it fits over here, right? Nerd, I knew it's from Nerd. No one else. What are you doing? Are you playing game? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete the whole thing. Just delete it out. Now it looks like everything is floating. Where's our fry? Did we delete our fries? We didn't delete our fries, right? How is this? Oh, I think we did delete our fries back just now. I forgot about it. But it's okay, we don't need our fries. And now I see it over here. We're going to make a jumping game, right? But I don't think you should have a green grass over here. This doesn't look like a situation where you should have a green grass. This is like a snowy thing. So let's look at something else. Maybe like a blue color grass. What is this? What is this thing? It's pixel. This is like Minecraft, right? It's a Minecraft thing. Maybe just rock. But not like green color rock. We will change it to... It's same. Is it this color? I'm not quite sure. I'm trying to get it as close as possible. I guess that's gonna blend in a little bit. Hi Zin! Welcome in, Zin! Hello, hello! How are you? Gonna repeat the pattern a little bit, make it smaller. That's too small. 3? Okay, 3 looks okay. We can do 3 then. Oh, ads incoming. There's ad coming in. Okay. You know what? Like, we don't really have to use just the mesh object. We can also actually do with the object here. We can add some of this object here. That will be a little bit more realistic. If we can add this one. Is there anything suitable for our stuff here? I'm not quite sure. We can try though. What we have here? Do I go to the stone part? Oh wait, I saw something. Did I not saw some? I think I saw something. Maybe not. I can't find it anymore. Wait. I thought I saw something like the snow just now. But it might just be me scrolling too fast. I'm like scrolling too fast, then I'm not seeing it properly, maybe. That's road over here. I don't want road. Can we add something like this? Ugh. The color, my problem is the color is the color like not fitting. We don't have anything fitting with my picture right now. No worries, it's okay. We do our stuff. Okay, so you can just do like this. This one looks the same, so it can be tricky a bit. Anyhow. And then what we want to do with when it fell down right now, if you see over here, it's just like they're just walking just like they cannot move anyway because there's no foundation for it. It's just like floating over there and cannot move anywhere. It's just like dropping over there. So that's why we do need foundation for it in the first place. So that if it fell down, it will go back to our spawn and then our start location will change. We'll make this our start location because this is like the base of it. So let's take our start location. Where was it? This one. And then, yeah, bring it over there. So right now our start location is like all the way at the bottom. We will raise it a little bit. Make it 2. Can we make it 2? Okay, 2 should be perfect, but then it's a little bit big. So we're gonna make it a bit smaller. 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, so that looks nicer, right? I think it's right at the center roughly. So this is the problem, saying we can't know the center of it because we can't determine our anchor. So if you use text coding, then you can actually determine where's your anchor is at. But anyway, right now our avatar, our player will be safe. It won't fall down like just now because when we go for the start, it will come out over here. Okay, now why is this color? What's going on here? Why is it that color? Ah, because of this emissive thing. Alright. I think it should be about this color. Okay. It should be good. Ah. Hi Nuri Hans, welcome into the stream. Why I say scream? Welcome into the stream. How are you? Feel free to watch the stream. You can learn or you can chat too with me. Just doing games of our own, but we're just starting. Okay, I think the color is a bit, I don't know how do I get this color. Can I copy back the same color? I'm just gonna copy this color. Because it's emissive, so it makes it a little bit brighter. Okay, anyway, this should be okay. Nah, this look. Why do we have this? I'm gonna make it dark. Okay, now it looks better. Just make it black. You're good, that's good. I'm from Discord channel Dungeon. Ah, I see. It come on over there. I don't know. Yeah, I really do not know when my Discord is coming out. But I'm glad you show me. You saw me over there. Thank you for coming in, by the way. Oh, thank you for the follow, Nuri Hans. Thank you so much for the follow. I hope you enjoy your stay. Do you play any game? Or you come in to see these gaming things, these making game things? Okay, we're done with this one. Now we have to make base so that whenever she fell down, she will come back over here and not just running around floating like it's some kind of matrix. Okay, so for that we need to make a coding for that, but before that we need to have the foundation first. So we'll go back to our asset. Just stopping by. Want to play game? What game you play? What game do you play? And then we go to mesh. I mean, I just want foundation. I don't need it to be like a cuboid or like a big cube or something. So I can just use plank, like just a plank like this, right? So again, now it's like this. We need to rotate it 90 degree. I do not know which one, so I'm gonna just try to figure out, is it Z? Just to make it flat. Is it not? Okay, it's not. This one. Okay. So now it's flat. This foundation just has to be as big as where we think the avatar might fall. Okay, it has to be all the way down here. So that's our Y again. We'll make it -10. Let's see. Okay, that's look quite far, right? From the bottom, and then we're gonna make it big. This one, because I usually just scale it to around 100, I think. Normally I do 100. So let's say we do 100 now. Valorant! I see you play Valorant. I play that game, but I usually play it casually. I don't play com. Do you play com? And then I think I'm gonna move this whole thing, both the foundation, the platform and the start location to another place. So for that, we can go to layer, right? And then you can move them together. You just have to choose both of them. So I choose start location. You can't unfortunately just like group them, like drag them like that. You have to do it over here. You just control key and shift. Then wait, what is it? I don't remember this one. How do I choose both? Oh, not our start location and our box, right? What happened here? Why I can't choose it? You're supposed to be able to choose both of them together. If I notice. Okay, see, I think you can choose over here. I might be mistaken. Start location. Shift. Is it together? That doesn't look like it will be together though. Control. Huh? What is wrong now? Oh yes, correct. Control. So we can move them all together here. I think we move it a bit, a bit here. So hopefully they don't fall away from there. Or maybe we can make this a bit longer on the scale part. Yeah, so we just made it to 120 then. That's long enough for me. Then we can just move it a little bit here. So see, our start location and our box is all moving together. Yeah, I normally just play casual. I don't play com. Because I don't know. Com is too stressful for me. I think. What agent do you play? Have you got the new agent? Clove, right? The name is. She looks so pretty. They look so pretty, I think. And then what do we do now? Okay, now we're gonna add tile. So we have this thing. This thing I do not care. I want to make it transparent actually. We're gonna make it transparent now. This one. Where is the transparent for this one? Okay, make it transparent, and then after that make sure we put it in a script and can collide so that our player don't just like go through down over there. And then we go to the coding part, to the coding. We will delete this one. Okay, we're making new coding. So what we want to do is, if our player hit that plank, right, that bottom foundation, then it will go back to the spawn part. So we put our player and then collide. This one, for this game, we only have to use this collide function all throughout actually. And then this is obviously the plank because we have no other object, 16D. And then we're gonna make our player spawn. So right now we don't have to worry about our player falling down, because if our player fall down, then it's going to come back here. So let's say it just fall down there. See? It will just go back. Once it fell down, they will just go back. But I want the animation to look better, I think, so I'm gonna make it into 15. I think it will look nicer this way. Just make it a little bit farther, so you can see the player drop first, like fell down first before it returns back to the starting. Okay, that's good. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to make the tiles where the player have to jump on. Ooh, it's the same thing, so I'm just gonna like copy the same tile first because it's easy for me. Okay, we have one. Oh, sorry, this one I should explain first. I will delete it back. So you can just choose back this style. What you can do is, you want to copy it, you choose the things that you want to copy, then it's same thing like any other window application. You just Control C and then you Control V, and then it's already been copied, it's already been duplicated over here. You just have to pull to get the new copy. So that's over there, but let's make it a little bit different. So I'm gonna give it different color. What color should we use? Do we want to use like white? I want to use that. Looks like so, it actually looks like so dull, but it's okay, we will use it like this. But I'm going to make it not rectangle, we are going to make it what do you say, I'm gonna make it square. So that should be 8 and 8, I guess. And then yeah, it doesn't have to be this thick too. We want it to be that thick. I'm gonna make it into 1. Okay. So because the anchor change, like I said, it's gonna always be at the center. If you see over here, it's no longer the same height. You can see the difference in the height. So we need to bring that a little bit up. So it's about the same height. It's probably 1.5, I'm gonna guess. That looks like it. Okay, so we have our tile that the player can jump on. So the distance, you have to test, trial and error, to see how much distance is possible. Here's the thing, when you're making game, the most important thing you want to make sure when you're making game, that the game is entertaining enough for player to play, for people to play. One of the criteria for a game to be entertaining enough is that the game should not be too easy, that there's no challenge, because then the player is going to get bored and wouldn't have any motivation actually to play the game again. Or it also shouldn't be too hard, also make player lose motivation to play the game actually. So it should be in between, like you need to have some challenge in the game, but it's doable. If it's too easy or too hard, then it's not, the game won't be entertaining for people to play. So you have to find that balance, honestly. So we see over here that normally I put it around okay, it's hard to tell over here because we don't have the, like, that one is I think too much. So probably around 2.5 or 3. 3? Okay. I think this one player should be able to jump. We can test it out. Or maybe 2.5 big. We're doing this. This is getting farther away. No, 3.5. Okay, so we should have like a duplicate of it. So let's say just make like 4 of it. Control, copy, paste. So we have another one here. And copy, paste. We have another one here. Copy, paste. We have another one here. So just try to have the distance about the same. So this one is like 5. I'm gonna make it into 5. We make it into 5 here, and then this one is like Yamete kudasai 4. So this one should be Yamete kudasai 13. Okay, and then this one should be 22, I guess. Alright, so that should be about the same distance, but it's not like at the center here. So we're gonna like move this a little bit here, so that is center. I'm just like relying on the arrow here to make it center. I guess that's center. Okay, now we're gonna test out if the player can jump or not from here. Boo! Okay, so is it enough for them to jump here? But how about this edge here? Ooh! Yeah, that doesn't look like they can jump on the edge there. Oh, they can actually. Oh, it's a bit high, but it's possible. So why my right side I cannot do? Okay, that's it. That's good enough. Okay, so we're gonna make a few rows for them to the end. So you can copy all this. You just choose everything and then copy paste, and then you bring forward, right? So I think this one should be 5 actually, right? Oh, I think that's too close. That's too close. Na 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 na. 6 is too much though. I'm gonna do like 5.5. No. So we copy paste. We just repeat the same thing again and again. 14.5. I'm gonna guess to make it the same. We'll probably make like 5 rows. That should be okay. Oi, what are you doing? What you mean? 23.5. Then copy and paste. Okay, Control Z, copy and paste. Yeah, why is the ambulance? What you mean? Okay, so we have all this, and then we just gonna make a final destination. I'm not gonna use another tile. Maybe we just use one of the model. We haven't used the model, right? So we can go to this model. I'm not sure what to use though. This is all the plant. Not here. We choose one of this ground over here. We can definitely use this one as the destination. I'm not sure what I wanna choose. I can hardly see. I think this one is all like a road kind of thing. Either road or like a marble. I want something more natural. Like this one looks not look nice. It doesn't look nice. I thought it looks nice. This one. We need some texture. I want some texture, honestly. Or something like this. We definitely can use this one maybe. Ah, it doesn't matter. Even though it's not like fitting this thing. It's like not fitting the whole thing. Okay. That is good enough. I can just see over here. What is this? Y? Oh, Y is 0. Oh, cannot, because this one is the different. So we have to do roughly. Okay, so let's say that's it. Right, so 45.5 then. Okay, it's good. We can make it bigger a little bit. Okay. Can I see? What is this? 22.2 lah. 2 is enough. 2 is enough. 2 is enough. Okay, center. Alright, that's it. I think it can be a little bit farther then. 46.5. You want it to be 46.5? No. Oh my god, that thing's gonna... I'm just gonna remember that song only. Because of that. Because of that, I'm gonna just see that song. I'm just gonna hear that song. Okay, I think this is good. What I'm trying to adjust on the distance, like 47. I don't like 47, 48. Okay. Yeah, not that song again. Oh my god, that song. Okay, we need to adjust our lighting right now. Our lighting is suddenly over here for no reason. Let's change the lighting actually. We can do that later also at the last part. Okay, don't change the lighting right now. It doesn't matter. Okay, now we done it. We want to make that some of these tiles to be fake tile so that if the player step on it, it's just gonna break and then disappear. And then the player will fail. Okay, so let's do that. So unfortunately for block coding, there's no formula. You can't do formula like in the text coding, which means that you have to do it one by one. But it's all a repeat of the same thing. Shoot, did I forget? This one, did I put collide? Yeah, I put collide. So that's good. At least I don't need to do that on repeat. So let's choose the first one. I'm gonna choose the right one to be the fake tile. So we click on script, we choose the tile that we want to disappear. Then we click on script, after script, and then pay attention to the number 6FF, right? Then we go to the code, default script. Okay, that says if our player fell. So now what happens if the player step on the fake tile? Okay, so we choose our player and then collide with the 6FF, right? Our first tile, that the fake tile, what happened? The tile will disappear, which is like kill. So that's the only code. Very easy. It's the only code actually for this one. So we close it. We can try it out right now. Go to play. Oh shoot, we didn't move. You see right now our player actually spawn over here, not at the center. It's because I forget to move the spawn. So we need to change the spawn location later on. Okay, but anyway, so let's see here. So if we I fell down already. It is so bad. Okay, over here nothing. The player is safe, but if we click on over here, see, it disappears. So that's it. So that's what you're gonna do. So that's one. I say I want to change the start location just now. The start location we have to bring to the center a bit. Okay, logically you're gonna start at the center. Okay, roughly the center, because we can't be precise unfortunately here. Okay, then that's it. So that's the first one. The second one, are we gonna do this one? Then, oh, it's gonna be hard for them. No, just this one. And then maybe this one, if somebody feel like they want to, be be unique and choose this one. Okay, so we do script, same thing. It's 144, so we go to the code and we do another one, player collide 144, 144 disappear. Okay, that's the kill function. And then we close. So same thing gonna happen if we jump on this 144. See, so one missing, also it went missing. This one. Okay, so it's safe for us. Okay, next one, we should do this one because we're gonna make it hard for them. Can we choose this one? What are they choosing right now? They're choosing the... Oh, okay. Before I forget, let's save our file first. Before we went missing file, go to easy, go to file and then choose save. That's it. And then you wait until it's saved 100%. That's it. Then it's already saved. How you want to know it's saved or not? You can go to your Creator Studio and then you can go to your My Project and you should be able to see over here. So this one is the complete one that I've done. So this one what we are doing today. So you see it's already saved. You will know it. So now let's go back and then now let's do the second one over here. If you can choose, right? Sometimes it happen like the studio hang or something. You cannot choose. You can either just go to the layer and find actually the box that contain what you want. So for example, is this one. I'm gonna go script and then there's no title. I see why I can't choose. Something happened just now, is it? Because this thing is all in a group still. So because there's no title over here, so let me just reload. Okay, now it doesn't open. I'm gonna open it from the project part. Leave this one. Okay, let's see here. So it should be this one. Okay, now we can choose, right? So it's box 174, go to behavior, toggle on script, go to coding, default script. So 174, player, collide 174, and then 174 heal. Okay, that should work. And then after that, we want to do this one also. I think we can do both of these, right? We can do both of these. I don't know. We will do this one, 061. We'll do this one. And collide 061. Okay. You can also just actually duplicate. Then it probably get easier. Okay, so let's say we move from here, then I want her to jump here. So this one, D to D. So we can just duplicate like this, copy, and then paste. Then it will come out like this. We just have to change the block then. D to D. This one is D to D. This one is also D to D. Okay, so let's say it goes here. I want it to be going here. So this one 737 and the next one is 946. 737 and 946. So again we just copy, paste. What is it? 737. This one 737, and then what is it called, 946, and then this one 946. Okay, so it will go here. Once it go here, we want it to jump here. Maybe here. So we will put this one F32 and also F9 F32 and 9 F9. Copy, paste. What is it? I don't remember what I say myself. F32 here, and then F32 here, and then paste here is 9 F9 is this one. This one is also 9. Okay, we're done with that one. That's a lot. Okay, so we can test it out now. Is it working or not? Everything I just do without checking because I want to get that part quickly because it's repetitive. Okay, let's try now. So we can just try to test it out. So there you go. This one. Oh shoot. Okay. So go here. No. So we have, oh my god. Okay. Go here. Go here. Nope. I think I make it diagonal. Okay. Alright. Then oh shoot. I can play my own game then mommy. I'm getting frustrated in my own game. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Oh shoot. Oh. Ah. Okay, here. Here. Yeah. So it's working. It's working and it's making me frustrated. Yeah, I don't have to test all. Basically, okay, we forgot to, you see just now when it reached at the end, right, and then it was just like going all the way collapsing, right, because we forgot to put can collide, correct? I forgot to put can collide over here. Okay, that's it. So we have can collide. So maybe we made this one also into script. We just put this one into script. So the final one, if it reach final, then we just do we want to make script? Not make script over here. We put like a flag over here to show victory. Where is it? Where can I find flag? Or maybe not flag, or maybe like diamond. Or just like before, we do coin. But doing flag looks nice too. Or do diamond. Diamond or flag. Or star. We can do star then. Or the star looks so small. Make it big. Is that too big? Is this too big? No, right? I think it's a bit too big for. So we have star here. And I'm gonna rotate that star to become flat like this. Make it to the center. Okay. And then we're gonna put script for the star. Can collide and then script. And then we go for the code again. So pay attention, the star is 2F9. Go to default script. Last one, the last coding we're making, very easy. This one, collide with star. The star is 2F9. Then I don't want to do collide. I want to do contact. Make it in contact, right? Then 2F9 will turn around infinitely, maybe. Is it X? Is it Y? Maybe it's Y. Confirm. Okay. So it will just keep on turning as long as our player is touching the star. So this is very simple one. Okay, so let's try again. I don't want to go through this again, but oh shit, I'm not very good at this kind of game. What is it just now over here? And then it's just like diagonal. Ah, I don't remember myself. Oh shit, this one. All right. Oh shit. This one. This one. I'm gonna drop it. That's so hard. Okay, here. 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 Diagonally here. Oh shoot, luckily. Okay, now we need to jump here. Why the last part so hard? Is it too far? But we can make it just now. Just now I can jump over there, right? I think. If not, we probably have to adjust if we cannot. We can make it. See? Yay! Then we won. So this is what you can do. It's a bit limited, but there's something extra more you can do. You can definitely add like a music on here. So that's some example, but you can also add like a music. And can you the GUI, can you add over here for block coding? I don't know. So that's GUI, the button, the gaming button. Oh, there's incoming ad. So like there is this GUI thing where you can add the gaming button. So let's say, I'm not sure we can do it on block code or not. I just said ready. But there's no on click. Is it go script? Coding. Yeah, there's like no on click. I don't think can use with block code. Unfortunately, cannot use the GUI. But you can put like game sound too. Game sound you can still put. So where I show you to go to my asset, and then you go to over here. So you just choose sound, and then you can upload it. You upload some sound. So let's say do I have any sound? I should have some. My music thing, I think. So this is like aesthetic music. I have like non-copyright one. So let's say you put this one, right? So you can just put the sound inside. Wait, before that, can we change this lighting? Directional light. The ambient light. Do we need this ambient light for now? I'll put it at the center. Okay. The direction of the light, maybe a little bit higher. Yeah. Can we change this anchor thing? I think because that's the center of it. Or we can just like delete this one. Yep. And then we put another directional light of our own. Go to asset. This one? That's the light. Or is it just hemisphere? We can just use hemisphere. Yep. Be much better. Okay. And then let's go back to our asset. We have sound right now. We put on the music. So the music can just be anywhere. Is there music? Music should be able to play. Volume is 1. Autoplay. Loop. And then press play. So you should be able to hear. I don't think this music fit the game, but that's the only music I have. Okay, let's pretend it's a gaming music. Like you jumping and you're hearing aesthetic music, but like that's what it is, right? You just put on music. Ah! I'm falling from my own game. Oh shit! Ah! I forgot which one is it? This one. Okay, that's it. So that's the game. It's very easy, very simple one. If I got another time, I will probably make the text one also, because then you can see how you can do scoring system with it, and a bit more better game with it. But that's our game. So you can save. Make sure you always save your project, and then you can publish it. So let's say you're done with all this. Okay, post-processing, you can make your game look so much nicer. Up to you. Go to scene, so you can make it nicer. Bloom if you want to have it like that foggy thing. Okay. Brightness and contrast. Okay, if you want. I think I just pick SSL. Okay, so what you do is you just click over here at the top here. There's publish. Click on publish and then enter the title. It's tutorial 2024 for Malaysia Techlympics. And then you write down the description. Normally in the description you tell the background of the game and how to play the game, like press WASD to move forward, something like that. That's what you write. This is tutorial game. And you can take picture of your game, or you want to put thumbnail, you can put thumbnail. So in block coding you can only do single game, but actually if you use JavaScript you can do multiplayer game, which is what the multiverse is about. But right now we are doing only single game. So I talk about how there's so many competition actually, right? So this is all the competition where you can make the game and then submit over here. So for the 2024 one, it will be the Redbrick event creator. If you are interested, you can enter that one. For Malaysian citizen and any other country close to Malaysia, you guys can also join the Malaysia Techlympics International competition for this one, which is the metaverse game competition, and also the 3D world building competition, which will be using this Redbrick. So if you want to see more, if you want to know more about this competition, you can go visit Malaysia Techlympics YouTube channel, or you can go follow in the Facebook, or you can look at the organizer for Malaysia Techlympics. It's actually a competition under MOSTI, but it's being organized by this company called Execute Robots. You can look up their website. I'm gonna be sharing all this link under my video, so you can go and click the link and go and check it out over there if you are interested. It's a good thing if you can join it. It's international level. You're gonna get international certificate, especially for students. But we also have category for, there are some other competition. There's like 40 over competition, robotic competition, and AI competition, which is also for young adult up to the age 30 years old. So if you are not 30 years old yet, you're below 30 years old, you can join it. You can join it for the experience of it. Who knows, you might actually win it. Anyway, after that, you can just click on publish and your game will be published. So this game is very simple. It's very light. So you can see that it takes very short time for it to publish. But normally, if you do a proper one, normally it will take quite so long, and sometimes it will just stop before it continue again. Don't panic. Don't close the window or whatever. Just wait it out. It will take some time. It will take like up to 1 hour or 2 hours to upload it once when you do a complete project. That's what it is about. So now it's already published. So the thing is, it's already published, but since this website does not have the search button yet, that they don't have the search function yet over here. I do not know why, but it seems like something not that easy, I guess, to make for the search function. So what you can do, you want to share with other people to play your game, right? Once you publish it, you can go to the publishing part. You go to the publishing part, and then so you see I have made like so many other game over here. Not so many, this is like my throwaway account anyway, so I don't use it a lot. But there's some other game here. You can see it in the publishing, so you can toggle it off private or public if you don't want other people to see your game, right? In this website. But you can share, the only way for you to share it with other people to try your game is you go here and then you have to copy the link. So you open your game over here. So that's my game. It's already published. If I give you the link now, you can actually try it out yourself. So you have to copy this link. I will also share this link under my video so that you guys can try it out yourself. So, but you have to be sharing this link so other people can go to your game. So, yep. See? The music like so weird, but yeah, please understand it. I don't have any other music, but this is the game. Using block coding, okay? If you make using JavaScript, you will have a better one. So that's about it for today. Publishing. Do I have one with JavaScript over here? This is not the account I used last year. Yep, but that's it. You can try out the game. You can try it out yourself. Any question you have, you can ask. You can ask later on in under the video. I'm gonna be sharing this to my YouTube, so you can go check it out. Okay, I'm done. I'm so done with this one. Okay, I'm gonna go like play Genshin now. We can close this. We are done with this one. Leave. Wait, we save already, right? I mean, it's already published anyway. I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Give me like 5 minutes break. Alright, I'm back. Okay, we are done. We are done for today. For the games, for making the games. So let's change it to Genshin. I do not know. I cannot. Might be a little bit hard to have Genshin. Let's go Genshin. Oh, Domas. Hello, welcome in, Domas. Thank you for the clock in. Welcome to the stream. I will change my gaming info first. Exploring. Go for Genshin. Hopefully we can open our Genshin. We're just launching. I'm not sure my game can be detected. Here we can close this one. This one. What's does it detect? Ooh, lucky. Luckily it detect the game. That you have a dream of could be yours, should be yours.
Come on, let's get moving. We're not frozen in place after all.
Yeah, I just want to. who should I level up first? Level her up. 瑶瑶 is so hard to get the item for 瑶瑶。I keep on forgetting to unlock that that teleport or statue 7. Why is this suddenly forming here? What is this? I never see this before. Oh, it just keep you. Let's go. Wait. We need to have Lisa. Actually, it doesn't start yet. Hello. Hello, how are you? We got it.
You're in for a little shock.
How come?
Come a little close.
Dodge this.
Don't be scared.
Ow. Ow.
Freeze.
Oh, right there. Use it.
Dodge this.
We're not making progress. Where is it? It's here. Oh, we don't make it in time. Ah, listen. What happened now? I don't pay attention. Oh, Yayo, so short.
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Wow! Oh no, I'm not making anything.
Time to clean up.
Ow!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Wait, you said I forgot.
You're in for a little shock.
I don't think we can make it in time. I forgot.
Come a little closer.
No.
Steady as stone. You're in for a little shock. You're in for
Ay, ya. I am so slow.
Come a little closer.
Freeze!
You're in for a little shock.
Aya, where you go?
Come a little closer.
What is this? I don't know. How do we do this again?
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Ooh. Ooh.
Someone needs assistance.
Ow.
That hurt real fast. Stay put. I must leave no.
Oh, so sorry.
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Don't be scared.
Should we get it? No. How do we get out again here? What is this guy? Luminescent fungal spore. Nothing?
Don't be scared.
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Oh my god, this guy is here. What's this? Be kind. So high.
This milk will be frozen in time.
Someone has a beautiful made wood. Yellow bag. Yellow bag. You're up.
This is it.
因为我曾经站在门外，为了你上山下海。
We do have Sucrose as our animal character. Let's try her.
I can do it.
为了你不敢懈怠，在泪眼伪装起来。
What do we get? I don't even see. It's like, yeah. Huh? I'm lost. Okay. I guess this is another people we need to fight. I don't think she can make any difference. She's like level 1.
Don't be scared.
Can we fight this guy? I'm not quite sure. Maybe we focus on the small one first. Ow! Because I feel like she's dead. She's gonna just be dead.
什么样的缘分让我们遇见？当你靠近我时，就空气都变得新鲜。想靠上你的肩，想抚摸你的脸，想和你一起聊聊最近改变。有很多话想说，但表现不能太殷切，小心翼翼在朋友圈关注你的动态。
Oh, this place has a lot, I think.
把你的瞬间藏进爱的字典。红的木偶的糖，究竟是哪种女孩能得你的青睐？好想和你谈恋爱，保持着崇拜，期待你亲口说爱。I want you know you are the greatest baby。
don't fall, where you going?
那种紧紧牵着我的手，不需任何的理由，你的拥抱足够对抗所有的痛。You know I will never let you be alone。相信信号有一整个宇宙，你懂我所有无厘头，这份心动节奏。
Do they have like a chest? I think they have chest.
I'll catch up. Steady as stone. You play, yeah? Animal test 60 degree away.
Ooh,
Enhanced animal
what is
model
this?
75.
Oh,
有很多话想说，但表现不能太殷切。小心翼翼在朋友圈关注你的动态，永远到底多远？顺便试过一遍，把你的瞬间藏进爱的字典。红的木偶的糖，究竟是哪种女孩能得你的青睐？好想和你谈恋爱，保持着崇拜，期待你亲口说爱。I want you know you are the greatest baby heaven know。人海中紧紧牵住我的手，不需任何的理由，你的拥抱足够对抗所有的痛。You know I will never let you be alone。真心信号有一整个宇宙，你懂我所有无厘头，这份心动节奏，爱你我都有。You are the greatest baby heaven know。
ow! Who the heck is this, brush?
紧牵住我的手，不需任何的理由，你的拥抱足够。
I just wasted the ult. But she's so strong though. Unless she's only level 1.
Don't be scared.
Dodge this.
一番都聚焦的项链，期待的都是新花间，在你的心线热情被推荐，为了新的生活线，从我心思和对爱的新发美，忘了他被笑成灰，一转眼绕着你给的安慰。
This moment will be frozen in time.
要会多少次放你才都离开，发烫的身体被剧门外，是该怀疑想念的灯塔能一直在。
Wait.
相信失望是爱的常态。
You play.
我躲不了，也逃不开你像对太阳的青睐，转眼你就把我放在刀山火海。或许我想要的是像风一样没人理会的自在，爱付出大有别人在，离不开。
You gonna attack me?
Don't be scared.
Freeze.
一番投机取巧的项链。
Yeah, she's level 1. Oh my god. Okay, he's gonna die. Yeah, we unlocked it. Oh, they say the Traveler Dendro is nice, so let's try it. How do we do it? Not worship status blazing. Nope. How do we do it? I don't know. We need to change.
This world is full of unsolved.
Resonate with Central. To try it out.
微微笑的看你，越是认真，就越让人心疼。
Okay.
街头的站路
Ooh, what is that?
仿
I
佛
don't know.
在笑我愚笨，没什么能做，但我比谁都真诚。泡一杯苦茶，陪伴你到
Where is
夜
it?
深。
If it's too far, I don't want.
一直不知道你总有一种很可爱的特，让我充满勇气抵抗冬天的寒冷。怎样做才会完美，像个男人
Oh, this is so far.
杯苦茶温暖
你的臂弯。我爱你。You there, View? Whoa!
Dodge this.
你知不知道你也有一种很可爱的天真，大男孩的口吻，美丽恰到100分。
怎样做才会完美，像个男人。
Why so many?
喝一杯苦
不想温暖你的臂弯。我爱你，你不是病人，你也不平等，这一刻就是爱的勇敢。我爱你，出生你，这一刻就是爱的心。
虽然永远
诉你，想守护着你，一个只想把你抱紧。这样tired了耶。
只想把你
抱紧。
One two three， 其实我超喜欢你，超想和你在一起，在一起我们就一个心。如果你对我满意，那就天天在一起，刮风下雨我都陪着你。想和你看星星，想陪你去旅行，想对你许下我们的约定。想给你好心情，想唱歌给你听，哆来咪发嗦拉西。其实我超喜欢你，超想和你在一起，在一起我们就比个心。如果你对我满意，那就天天在一起，刮风下雨我都陪着你。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
Yeah, we finally can do it. We can finally.
想和你看星星，想陪你去旅行，想对你许下我们的约定。想给你好心情，想唱歌给你听，哆来咪发嗦拉西。其实我超喜欢你，超想和你在一起，在一起我们就比个心。如果你对我满意，那就天天在一起，刮风下雨我都陪着你。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
啦啦啦啦啦。
其实我超喜欢你，超想和你在一起，在一起我
So
们
cool,
就比
seems like
个
a
心。
good.
如果你对我满意，那就天天在一起，刮风下雨我都陪着你。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
啦啦啦啦。
啦啦啦啦啦啦
好
啦。
快，我不放了
刮风
哦。
下雨我都陪着你，哦，刮风下雨我都陪着你。
钟一天到响起了下课铃，已经约好在操场等你。夏天真的是闷得可以，带你去吃草莓冰淇淋。如果你有一点坏心情，我为你的小抱怨舞曲。听到这首轻松的旋律，好像吃了夹心巧克力。当我偷偷看你，当我偷偷的想着你，像是深奥的问题。
我们的爱情
是丘比特安排的游戏，还是月下到人家傻傻分不清？你说靠在我的前方有心电感应，说不清又不像是梦境。
我们的爱
其
情
实两颗星星眯着眼睛，还是明
Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. I'll just continue tomorrow. I'm gonna go get rest for a little bit. Okay, thank you for coming to the stream, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, everyone.